All right, let's take a look at this PlayStation VR2 Horizon Call of the Mountain bundle. Doing the unboxing right now. So I pop this open. Looks like I gotta spin it around. And then it opens from over here. All right, so right here is the headset. It's a lot lighter and smaller than the previous one. These are just all the cables and cords and such. I'll take this out to redeem the code. And then what's left in here are just the little handles. I'll put that right there. And that right there. And that's basically it. If we take a look, right there is what we've got here. And of course we'll unwrap it, but just that stuff and one cable that would plug directly into the PS5. And then this right here is just a headset for audio. Now we'll compare that to the previous PSVR1 setup. Look how big that is. And we've got this is all part of PSVR1. That has to plug into this PS5, which also needs an adapter. So let's also do like a comparison here. Okay, and so here's the comparison. We've got PSVR1, here's the headset, a couple of PSVR remotes, which are really PS3 style compatible remotes with the PSVR1 for PS4. Additionally, to hook it up, you need all of this right here. There's adapters. This is all part of it. None of this is optional to hook it up to the PS5. By comparison, here is the PSVR2. Controllers are a little different. It does have a cord, but it's one cord that goes to the back or the front, because there's a port in the front. And then the controllers, pretty cool. You hold them in your hand like controllers. So this is basically the comparison in terms of size as well. If I pan back a little bit further, how much is actually needed to make it work.